Hello, Nam. What do you do in your leisure time?
I'm really into DIY projects. I love making paper flowers at home.
Are you interested in any other activities?
Yes, I enjoy doing puzzles, especially Sudoku.
Good. Give me a sentence with a verb followed by VING.
They dislike surfing the net at night.
Excellent. Now name a verb that can take VING or the to-infinitive.
I prefer playing sports after school, or I prefer to play sports after school.
Pronunciation check. Repeat after me. Ooh, cook, wood, push, woman. Ooh, school, group, June, move. Let's invite a friend.
Would you like to go to the movies this Sunday? There's a new comedy.
I'd love to, thanks. I'm afraid I can't this Sunday, but how about going next weekend? Benefits?
Doing puzzles improves memory. Playing sports improves physical health and helps me make friends.
Final line, please.
I'm crazy about texting friends, but I'm not interested in surfing the net for hours. I like playing soccer because it helps me stay in shape.